In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a diagram in Confluence. We'll start right inside Confluence, then add a new diagram to a page, and finish by exploring the essential tools you'll use to build and refine it. First, open Confluence and head to the space or specific page where you want the diagram to live. Pick a page that already contains related content so your diagram adds context rather than floating on its own. Once the page is open, switch into editing mode by selecting Edit. This opens the page editor with the formatting toolbar along the top. Now let's insert the diagram. Open the Insert menu, look for the plus icon in the toolbar, or simply press the slash key to bring up the command palette. In the search field, type diagram. You'll see the diagram option appear. Choose Create Diagram to open a fresh canvas. You're now in the editor for the diagram. Take a moment to pan around and zoom so you're comfortable with the workspace. Start placing content with Sticky Note. Sticky notes are perfect for quick ideas, tasks, or rough steps. You can change their color to group-related thoughts and keep early brainstorming tidy. When you want to sketch or annotate freely, switch to the pen. The pen tool is great for circling areas, underlining key points, or adding quick hand-drawn arrows to guide attention. Add clear labels with text. Click anywhere on the canvas to create a text box, then set the size and style so headings, labels, and notes stand out. For structure and flow, use line. Lines and connectors help you show relationships. Snap them to objects so they stay neatly attached as you move shapes around. To represent states or entities, drop in an ellipse. Combine shapes with short text labels to build recognizable nodes in your flow. Organize larger diagrams with section. Sections let you visually group related content. Think phases, teams, or work streams so readers can scan faster. Use stamps to quickly call out statuses like approved, blocked, or needs review. They're perfect during workshops or reviews to make decisions visible at a glance. If your team tracks work in Jira, choose Import from Jira to bring in issues directly to the canvas. This is great for story mapping or planning sessions because each card brings useful fields you can arrange spatially. And if you'd like a head start, open templates to browse ready-made layouts such as flowcharts or mind maps, then adapt them to your needs. That's the process from start to finish. Open a page, insert a diagram, and use these tools to turn ideas into a clear, shareable visual right inside Confluence.